glacier. This is known as Trail Glacier. There's two reasons why it's named Trail Glacier. Once we get closer, you will be able to see one of those reasons. And this is because it has a line of dirt running down the middle of it. And the other reason is because a lot of explorers and Alaska natives would walk across on the Trail Glacier. Now that line of dirt is known as a medial moraine. And a medial moraine is a strip of dirt that the glaciers have picked up. A medial moraine is made up of two lateral moraines, and as glaciers move along, yes, they do actually move, they will pick up rock and dirt and sediment and will create that little line in the glacier. I think of it kind of like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. On top you have your bread, which is like the basic glacier, and in the middle you have that peanut butter and jelly, which is that rock and sediment the glaciers have picked up. And at the bottom you have some more bread, which is just like the glacier. And there are two really good spots to view the glacier and get some pictures. So do keep your cameras out a little bit of a tricky shot.